Hi, Santan, it's Miss Ford. For this assignment, we are going to talk about coding. I just need to let you know that this lesson does take a lot of time. It will take at least an hour. So if you don't have that time, I would suggest doing the other option for technology this week or going ahead and doing another specials lesson and then coming back and doing the coding one when you have more time. All right, younger kids, you will probably need help from your parents or an older brother and sister to help you with this. So you can ask them for that. All right, what is coding? Coding gives instructions to the computer. We tell it what to do. Computers don't speak in our language. They don't speak the way we do. They don't communicate the same. They're not human. So we have to actually learn a different language to communicate with them. Some of you I know are learning Spanish, and so this is just another language that we use to talk to computers. I'm going to talk to you about a word, algorithm. An algorithm is the process of steps to accomplish a task. We use this all the time in math and even in our daily lives. Think about this. How do you get out of your bed in the morning? You don't just jump up and you're there. There's little tiny steps and things that happen before we actually are standing up. So maybe you push your arms back and lift your head off the pillow. And then maybe you turn your body sideways and dangle your feet over the edge of the bed. And then last, maybe you push up off the bed and then stand up on your feet. All those little things happen before you can even actually stand on the floor. Kind of crazy, right? So we have to do the exact same thing with computers. So let's see. So we think about this, brushing your teeth. If we told the computer to hold our brush, hold our toothbrush, and then pick up the toothpaste and then bring it over and squeeze it on the toothbrush and then put it down and then put your toothbrush up to your mouth and start brushing your teeth, is that going to work? Did we have a problem? We did. There's a problem. So there is something that happens a lot when we program and there's problems. When we go and fix those problems, it's called debugging or fixing the problem. So when there's a malfunction, you go back and fix it. There's lots of trial and error. What did I forget to do? I forgot to tell the computer to turn the cap, take it off, then put the toothpaste on my toothbrush. So you have to think of everything, tiny step by tiny step. All right. When we have a line of code, that tells us tells the computer what to do. If we have a whole document of them, that's called a script. That tells the computer exactly what to do. You can think of it like a play. A play has a script and it tells the actors where to stand, what to do, what to say, and it creates the play. All right, for your assignment today, you're going to click the next link. You're going to it's going to come up with a lesson and it starts off with a video. You're going to go ahead and push play. But if you are a beginner coder, only watch the first 40 minutes. I told you it was long. So up to 40 minutes. It will give you lots of information. It will explain a lot of things. It will show you how to do the activity after. So there is a lot of stuff in there. But if you are an advanced coder, you can go ahead and watch the whole thing. Because after the 40 minutes, it gets a little more complicated. At that point, go ahead, you'd click the continue link on the bottom of that lesson, and then it takes you to the next page, which has the activities. There's a beginning activity. So for my younger coders, you can just go ahead and do the beginner activity. For those of you who are pros at coding or want an additional challenge, you could also do the advanced assignment. I would start with the beginner one anyway, just to get your mind going and start thinking with coding. And then you can do the advanced one. For those of you who don't want to be on a screen anymore, I know you've been on computers and laptops and cell phones and all that, those devices for so long. If you want to take a break from that after, you can. So at the very bottom, there's a blue link and then you click on it and it will give you an unplugged activity. Unplugged activity will guide you through an activity to practice algorithms and coding without using a computer. You will need paper to print out the papers, and you will need plastic cups to program your robot. I hope that you have fun coding and take a little break. The video is called Code Break because it's taking a break from everything and just kind of playing with code and learning something but having fun as well. So we miss you, Santan. I hope you have fun coding. Have a great week.